Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you never miss any video. In today's video, I have something very exciting to share with y'all. So today I will be collaborating with PinchMe on this video over one of their boxes. If you've never heard of PinchMe before, it's a platform where you can sign up. It's super easy. It's available to everyone in the US, and you can get samples of different beauty, food, household items, and they send out the samples regularly, and you get a box full of goodies to try out. And I've actually gotten their boxes before or partnership, so yeah, this is super exciting for me. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got in this box. I have the True Labs Hydrate and Organic Greens. This is an electrolyte drink mix, and it's like electrolyte and greens drink mix. Supports hydration and energy, and this is very much needed. I'm probably gonna drink this as soon as we wrap up this video because I need a little afternoon pick me up. Y'all, what the inside of the box looks like, this is what it's giving. So let's run through the products. We have some Downy Unstoppables. It's gonna come in clutch for laundry. We have the Pond's facial moisturizer. I've used this before. This is really good, and it's really affordable if you're looking for a good moisturizer. And then we got some Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I've never tried this before, so I'm actually super excited to have the samples. Also, I like getting sample size of products because they make for great travel size on the go items. If you have like a beauty bag in your car or in your purse, perfect for this type of stuff, okay? And then we got the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. This is like super pretty and fun. It's like more vibrant, so it's gonna be good for spring and summer. Moroccan Oil Treatment. I haven't tried this before, but I know that this is very popular. I've seen this around for years, and I know a lot of people like this, so I'm excited to try this out. And then I got some hand cream, which is from Sador, maybe. It's peach and plants hand cream, and you can never have too much hand cream. It's the winter time or skin is dry. This is very much needed. It doesn't really smell like much, which would be good for people who are more sensitive to fragrances, so yeah. Then I got some Natural Eyes Complete Eye Relief fast dissolving tablets. I've actually never heard of these, but as someone with sensitive eyes, dry eyes, watery eyes, this might be what I need actually. So I'm definitely gonna be putting this to use. There's a few samples in here from Eva NYC. We got their Lift Off Volume Shampoo, Conditioner, as well as their Therapy Session Hair Mask. So these are gonna come in clutch on wash day, and I feel like this is how you can find a lot of new products to try, a lot of good products to try, by getting the samples, testing them out, see if you like them before you splurge on the full size. So I definitely recommend everyone signing up, because why not? It's easy, it's free, you get to try sample size products to see how you like them before spending your actual money. We have some Carmex Weather Guard. Once again, very much essential, very much needed for the winter time. Then we have a Hyaluronic Coconut Hydrate. This is a mask. It's a hyaluronic acid complex, ceramide, and peptides face mask, so very excited for that. I love a good face mask. I've been on my skincare kick, okay? I'm just saying. And then we got some foot masks, which I haven't done a foot mask all winter, so I probably will also be putting this to use. This foot mask is from Zozu. It says ginger nourishes and exfoliates foot masks. It's going to relieve dry and rough skin. And then we got some more hair samples. We got some more Moroccan oil products. This is their shampoo and conditioner, so this will be good to pair with that oil. Then we have a body lotion here. I believe this is Natura Ecos. I could be mispronouncing that, but this is a nice little sample size product as well. Good for throwing in your purse on the go. Then we have some hand mask, avocado nicotinamide hand mask, moisturizing and brightening. I want to get into hand masks because I've heard that the first places that people are able to tell that someone is aging is their hands and their neck. Yeah. And then we got a little deodorant stick. This is from Miles, and it's rugged, super cute, super small, very travel friendly, like I said. And then the last item that I have in my box is an argan oil moisturizing smooth hair mask. So lots of new hair goodies to try, which I love. As you guys can see, my hair is a lot different now. we got to figure out a whole new routine. Like, I have my straighten slash blow dry routine down. It wouldn't hurt to find some really good products to add into my routine for when I run out of my current products, or some new products to add to my curly hair routine. So yeah, that is everything that I had in my PinchMe box. I'm super excited to be working with them on this video, so thank you so much to them. This is not sponsored, but they did give me this box, so I figured I would come on here, share it with you guys, tell you guys how easy it is to sign up. I will have a link down in the description box if you are interested. Also, I feel like this is good for people who want to be content creators, or if you're a newer content creator and you want to get samples of products that you can use in your content without having to go out and splurge on items, then this is like really good for you, and I would recommend trying it because it can't hurt. You either like it or you don't, but I think you'll love it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.